Hi and welcome to this live Forex strength and weakness table video. My name is John. I'll be taking you through the charts this Tuesday the 18th of October. Here in front of us we have the live Forex strength and weakness tables. We have two tables to look at. We have the trend traders table and the day traders table. These are the same studies, just highlighting different time frames. So our trend traders is the higher time frame, our day traders is the lower time frame. You can see here some of the currencies are highlighted in green. Those are the currencies that held or hold confluence between the two trading time frames. In the videos we'll be focusing on currency pairs that are featured or highlighted by the live Forex strength and weakness tables. These tables update every 15 minutes 24/7, so wherever you are in the world you can access these at any time and it will give you a live update of the strong versus weak currencies at that point in time. Right then, so what is the what are the tables showing us today? Well, it's showing us that pound still remains at S1 on the trend traders and the day traders table. We can see that the yen has dropped slightly, so the yen was one of the weakest currencies, especially on the day traders. That remains on the day traders, is at W2 on the trend traders. Euro is the second strongest and dollar is the third strongest on the trend traders. The weakest on the trend traders is the Aussie, followed by the yen, followed by the Swiss franc. On the day traders, we've got pound as the strongest, Kiwi as the strongest or the second strongest, and the euro as the third strongest, so S3. Yen is topping the charts on the day traders at W1, W2 for the US dollar, and W3 for Aussie. Now you can actually see here that the US dollar appears twice, but it's not highlighted in green. Well, the reason being is because it is on two different sides of the tables, so we can see that it's on the strength side on the trend traders but on the weak side of the day traders, so it's showing us there's a conflict between the two trading time frames and that we should probably avoid the US dollar at the moment. Right then, so we're going to focus on two charts today. I'm going to focus on pound yen and we're going to focus on euro versus the Australian dollar, because those are the two currency pairs that are potentially setting up for moves. So let's go into pound yen to start off with. We've been talking about pound yen for some time, pretty much ever since we came into the 160 handle. Prices rallied to the upside. We've broken through the 168 handle. If we go to the daily chart, you can clearly see broken 168, closed outside of the 168 handle now. So very strong suggestion that we could see further upside to pound yen. If I just zoom out slightly, you can see the sort of next area of interest is this monthly trend line up here, which kind of coincides with the 175 handle. So what can we look at today? Well, if I go to the 4-hour time frame, we could even go a little bit lower. Let's go to the hourly. We can see that price is potentially setting up for another move because we've had an impulsive leg, we've consolidated, we've tried to reach new lows, buyers have stepped back in. Most recently, buyers have tried to push price to the downside and we've formed this bullish wick to the upside. So that could be a signal that there's a potential move coming to the upside. So one to watch definitely. If price was to potentially break out of this trend line high here, get a close outside of that, that could see buyers stepping back into the market. We could see the fact that price has found support here as a factor as well. Alternatively, you could wait a little bit longer, see if price would pull back to the 168 handle, which could give you an opportunity because it's previous structure highs as well as an area of support. If I was just to bring a fib in, go from the swing low to the swing high, we can see here that the 168 handle actually has confluence with the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement as well. So that could be an area where buyers want to step back into the market. Okay, let's go on to Euro Aussie then, because Euro Aussie is also at a key area of support. So let's find Euro Aussie. Here we go. So if I just zoom out to a higher time frame first, what is Euro Aussie doing? But let's just bring back on the charts. Why are we focusing on Euro Oz? Well, we've got Euro as S2, Oz as W1. We've got it on the day traders as well as S3 and W3. So basically showing us that Euro Aussie should continue to trade to the upside. Now, if we just go to the 8 hour, you can see that we have a channel through here, nice trend line support, and prices respecting that trend line support, respecting the channel at this current moment in time. So if I go down to a lower time frame, what could we suggest? Well, price is consolidating and finding support at the previous trend line support. Okay, so that could be an opportunity that if price respects this channel, that we could see further upside to Euro Oz. Now what I've done is I've just placed a little line here. You can see it's around about the highs, which is the 1.56 sort of 60 handle. If price was to trade above that, it would show us that the buyers are stepping back into the market here, and that would give you more confidence that price is going to move back to the upside. So something to consider there for Euro Oz. If price does move higher, where could it move higher to? Well, if I go up to the weekly time frame, you can see we have this longer term trend line resistance running through, which kind of intersects with the 1.59 handle. So that could be where Euro Oz is heading towards. We've broken through other key areas. You can see the 1.53 handle has been broken through. So the next area is that 1.59. I'm going to leave it there. Thank you for watching this video update. If you are watching this at a later date and are interested in any of the services that are available to you, please head over to charlesclifton.co.uk. If you head over to the homepage, you'll see that there is a trial period for £1, which you can check out here. Check out all the services that are available to you. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.